Good morning to all. Myself Anurag Kumar from AC department. Today we are going to see fundamentals of machine learning. In this, how the machine learning types has been involved in this method. Machine learning is the popular field of artificial intelligence, and it can be used for many more applications. Nowadays, the machine learnings are playing vital role in our daily life. Without using machine, we can't do anything. One of the implementation which is useful for artificial intelligence is healthcare monitoring, financial sectors, infrastructure management, marketing field, self-driving cars and recommendation systems, chatbots, social medias, gaming process, cyber security. A lot of applications are there. More number of applications are based on this machine learning process. So in this type, we are going to classify how these kind of informations has been framed for this type of machine learning process. So there are four types of machine learning. First one is supervised machine learning, second one is unsupervised machine learning, third one is semi-supervised machine learning, and fourth one is reinforcement learning. So these four types are has been classified and make a machine based on this four type because more we have seen in the previous slides, there are a lot of applications are based on this machine learning. So among all those applications are covered by using this four types. So next slide we have to see how the machine learning has been framed by one. First one is machine learning types and its applications. These kind of four type of technologies has been implemented for this following applications. First one is supervised learning. It has been used for housing, price prediction, medical imaging process. Unsupervised learning has been used for customer segmentation and marketing process. And semi-supervised learning has been implemented for classification methods and finding data. And next one is reinforcement has been implemented for marketing, optimized marketing and driverless cost methods. First one is supervised machine learning. The supervised machine learning process has been involved based on two steps. First one is training and testing. If you want to give any product to the machine can understand and it can make the output. For example, if you give the apple, orange to the machine knows that which kind of foods they are. Next one, if you give the input as apple, then it can understood that we can give apple as input. So the final answer is apple is on the prediction output. So the machine can understood that the apple and among the all the vegetables, we can give the apple as an input. So it shows the output as apple. So like that, all this information has been analyzed by using this method. This kind of machine learning method has been implemented for mail spam filtering process and fraud detection technique and risk assessment management. So there are two type of supervised machine learning process. First one is classification and regression techniques. Classification method means the name itself we know that classify the number of data sets. The classify the number of data sets means we can add more number of information to the machines, like your data yes or no method or female or male or red or blue based on the applications of users. Next one is regression. Even though we are adding more number of input to the machines, the machine itself knows that these are all some of the informations might be wrong. So at the time we can neglect those kind of information from the machines by using this regression technique. So this type of two techniques has implemented for some of the algorithm such as multivariate regression algorithm and decision tree algorithms. And next one is unsupervised machine learning. So in previous we have discussed about supervised machine learning. Supervised means it just to understand the testing and evaluation process. Next one is unsupervised. Here we are given a lot of information to the machine. For example, orange, apple, and more number of vegetables are given to the model or machine. The machine itself knows that these are all the some of the apples you are given as an input. These are all some of the vegetables you are given as an input. The machine itself separate the input as the output. Input as the reference signal, reference model. So it's just identify and give the output based on the inputs. So it can be classified into two type: clustering and association. Clustering is nothing but it act as a server client process. The main information has been passed towards the neighboring nodes. The main information is given to the other node which are connecting to the server. Next one is association. In this method, a large number of data set has been implemented for that this kind of information needed. Especially this type of two methods has been implemented for web usage mining and market basket analysis, because in Amazon or some other social media we are searching some of the materials in Amazon process. At the time we can able to select such kind of materials by using this type of association and clustering method. And next one is semi-supervised learning. So in this learning method, we can implement both techniques. This type of models are formed by known and unknown responses, because we are adding supervised and unsupervised learning process, so that it just filter about both kind of process, known and unknown responses. Sometime in social media we are searching some other products, but it shows that unrelevant methods, unrelevant searching techniques. So but this kind of semi supervised learning method, we can filter out the unconditional or unavailable data which are shown in this result. Next one is reinforcement learning. This is the feedback based process. Every devices or machine has understood that we have to make some arrangement. At the time we are using this kind of reinforcement learning method. Suppose if you want to add more number of information, or if you want to add more features to the concerned machines, this kind of reinforcement learning method can be used, so that we can add in future applications. Next one is assessment. Especially for Amazon process, this kind of machine learning technique can be implemented. So if you want to search more number of products in Amazon product or a Flipkart product, then machine can understand that you are searching this kind of information from our site. So next time if you want to search anything to the other products, means it just shows that what are all you are search in the previous product, like that it shows the previous products in the above list, so that we can able to know, so these are the information which are searching in the previous time. Or sometimes the products has been maybe some reduced prices, so that it will be very useful to find such kind of information by using this machine learning process. Thank you.